Good evening, students. Today we are going to take a topic on the generator. Before we enter into the topic, we know the general principle of generator. The generator which convert the energy from one energy to the another energy. Here the generator will convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy. The main thing is we have to produce the electrical energy by rotating method. Okay, so here is the mechanical energy is converted into the electrical energy. So the principle behind the generator is electromagnetic induction. You know that wherever there is a electric field, it having the magnetic field. Where there is a magnetic field, it will create an electric field. Already we know that. Okay, so generator is generally consist of moving coil in a magnetic field. When the coil is rotated, an induced EMF is created in the generator. It will make to rotate the generator, it will create electricity. By this way, the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy in the generator. Okay, so here there are two types of generator. One is AC generator, another one is DC generator. AC is nothing but as alternating current generator. DC is nothing but as direct current generator. So in this class, we are going to see about the AC generator. So in the AC generator, generate an alternating current, okay, or AC. It is used in a hydro power station or thermal power station to generate an alternating current. This is the simple construction of AC generator. It consists of two bar magnet, a north pole and south pole. So inside that there is a coil is winded on the in between the two bar magnet. Okay, so it also containing two slip rings, and then two graphite brushes are connected to the coil. So from that coil we can able to create an alternating current. Okay, this is the basic component of AC generator. In construction, a rectangular coil of wire having number of turns. So here a rectangular coil of copper, it is also called as armature, is kept inside the two powerful bar magnet. The two end of the coil are connected to the circular ring is known as a slip ring, okay, or collecting ring. The slip ring are used to prevent the twisting and tangling of wire in a circuit. There are two carbon brushes are used. It is made up of graphite to make contact one of the rings to complete the circuit with the external load resistance R. So here instead of load resistance, I am going to use the bulb. It will close, okay, because the bulb is working on the AC current. So now this is the basic construction. Next we go for the working. When the power is switched on, what will happen? It is going to produce the current. But what will happen? So when the armature coil is rotated, it can be rotated by using the water turbine or in the hydro power station by high pressure steam. So it will can rotate. Okay, at this time the magnetic flux is produced. The magnetic flux is produced once the armature coil is rotated either clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Okay, continuously it changes the induced current flow via the carbon brushes through the external load resistance R. Next, the magnitude and the direction of the current is not constant here, because the based on the Fleming Lifton rule varies the sinusoidal wave. When the current in the coil flow in one direction for the first half cycle of revolution, in the direction of opposite of negative of the half cycle in the revolution of the another coil in the coil. Hence the current is called AC currents. One complete revolution of current produce one cycle of AC. The number of such cycle which current goes through 1 second is called frequency. Okay, from this method we can able to generate the alternating current. So by the use of the powerful magnet and rotation of the armature coil, we can able to create an alternating current. Due to rotation of one cycle, we can able to get positive and negative cycle. We know that alternating current is nothing but a pure sine wave. It's nothing but a pure sine wave. Okay, this is called as the wave pattern of the alternating current. This is the power. Next we are going to see the advantage and disadvantage of the AC generator. The first advantage of the AC generator, the construction of the AC generator is very simple, because already we know that we are using two rings, two bar magnet and coil. Okay, the construction is very simple, and it can easily able to operate, and also the maintenance cost is very low when compared to the DC generator. So this is the main advantage of the AC generator, and also it does not require voltage matching. Okay, this is also another advantage, and it is possible to convert the current from AC generator to another voltage level using AC transformer. Okay, by using the AC transformer, we can able to get the change the voltage value or voltage level of the AC current. And AC motor are used in AC generator, and we can easily maintain and smell free. It cannot able to produce any smoke. Okay, but a DC generator produce smoke, already we know that. Okay, these are the advantage, and let us go to the disadvantage of AC generator. The main disadvantage of AC generator, it does not durable as DC generator. Okay, this is the first one, and the second one is it require additional insulation due to generation of large current. So okay, it require additional installation due to generation of large current, because depending upon the size of the motor, we can able to get the generating current, alternating current. If the motor size is large, the obtained current is also very high. Okay, it need extra caution while working on high voltage. By the production of high voltage alternating current, protection is very important, because human death can be happen in AC generator also. Okay, these are the advantage and disadvantage of AC generator. Thank you.